Hi guys, this the here is here is the Irata wireless backup camera, and its package include power cable, wireless backup camera, and uh, antennas. And its installation is pretty simple. Just hook up the antenna to the camera and connect its power cable just like this. And if you want this backup camera was for reverging, you need to connect its power to the reverging line. And if you want this camera was for monitoring, you need to connect its power to the constant power of your car. So we need to find out the power of your car and connect the red wheel to the positive power of positive power, and the red wheel to the ground. And you also can make the red wheel to meet the mantle of your car. So this application Wi-Fi backup camera will have now is on, and you need to connect its Wi-Fi. You need to use your phone to connect its Wi-Fi. So you need to download the SW application from the instruction. And first you need to enter the setting and connect its Wi-Fi to the SW application. It's easy to find it. As we can see, this is the SW Wi-Fi, so you click it and connect, and now it is connected. Next, we just need to open the SW camera application, so it's be on now. And if you don't need a parking guideline, you just need to create the signal, so it will disappear. And this one is for the mirror, and this one is for shooting. You can take a picture by this. That's all. Thank you.